Hi students, let us start today class. Today I am going to teach exercise 5.4. Okay, before that you want to know some formulas. Okay, so in that formulas how we are going to derive, you see, using equations of straight line in general form. Okay, already you know that equations of straight line in general form. What is that? Using this we will bring that formula. Okay, see, this is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Yes, so from that equation you should convert. Okay, this is keep it as 1, or else this equation you can bring in this form. Okay, change in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, in this given equation, so general form you should change in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. So while changing this, what you will get, by is equal to plus ax, that side go minus ax, plus c, that side go minus c. Okay, then y you want means y is equal to minus ax minus c whole divided by b. Now b will go down. Now b is the real number. Yes, coefficient. Y coefficient is b, so b will go down. Now this b is common for both also. So minus a by b of x minus c by b. Yes. So now you compare. So you should compare general form and this one. So what you will get here? Slope. Yes, m is called slope here. M place, what is the slope? M is equal to minus a by b. Yes, minus a by b. Or else we can write it as slope m is equal to minus coefficient of x. Actually a is, what is that? Coefficient of x. Yes, x coefficient only a. It means minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of b is, what is that? Y coefficient. So that coefficient of y. Okay, this is a formula. So slope, any one of the straight line in this form it is given means a straight line is given in this form. How we want to find slope? Slope m is equal to minus a by b formula, or else coefficient of x divided by minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. Okay, then means this is called, what is that? C. C means y interrupt. Then means here next y interrupt, what is the formula? Minus c by b. Minus c by b. That is, c means, what is that? Constant term. Okay, then we can write it as this. Yes, we can write it as this. Y interrupts is equal to minus constant term divided by coefficient of y. Coefficient of y. Short term I have written coefficient of y. So this is two formula. From we know the general form of straight line. In that you should change y is equal to mx plus c. Then we will get it as the slope and y interrupt formula. So slope means minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y, and y interrupt means minus constant term divided by coefficient of y. Okay, this two formula. See next equations of a straight line in parallel to the one more line. So see first, so general form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Yes, so one more, this line parallel to the one more line parallel to the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So one equation is given in this line. Parallel line is, what does that means? The same ax plus by, only constant term alone it will change. This is the one more parallel line. Okay, parallel to the line is this line. One more parallel line is ax plus by plus k is equal to 0. Okay, this is one of the line. Next, suppose perpendicular to the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So what is the perpendicular line? In this straight line Okay, perpendicular line, how we want to find means, see here you want to interchange. What is that? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. In that, coefficients want to interchange. A and B. Okay, A plus B plus want to interchange. So interchanging, then y coefficient B, that it is come with the x coefficient. That means Bx. Then A coefficient it goes to y coefficient. That means here you want to change in the symbol minus. So here plus A means minus Ax minus ay, sorry, y coefficient you want to bring from x coefficient, then you should change symbol, also want to change here as it is. Y coefficient whatever is there, that is called x coefficient, so bx. But x coefficient positive is there means you should change into negative, negative is there means you should change into positive. Okay, such a way. So here positive a you change into minus ay plus k. Constant term alone also it will change. Constant term also it will change. Okay, this is a perpendicular to the line. Okay, in this straight line, perpendicular line is bx minus ay plus k is equal to 0. This is one more two formulas. Okay, parallel line means it is easy. Only constant term alone it will change. One line is given, one more parallel line we want to find means constant term alone you want to change. Then perpendicular means want to interchange coefficients, x coefficient and y coefficient, and then constant term also. Here k is called, what does that means? Real numbers. Okay, that is constants. That is constants. Okay, real k means any value it will get, so it is called constants. Okay, that's all. Next already you know the result. What is that? Two lines are parallel means slopes are equal. Yes, two lines are parallel if and only if slopes are equal. Yes, slopes are equal or else otherwise. Here we want to use, what does that means? Coefficients. Okay, x and y coefficient constant term, it will not be 0. Okay, so two straight line it is given. In this, using two straight line, it is parallel or not, that lines are parallel or not, how we want to find means, one are slope you want to find, slope is equal, that lines are parallel, or else these coefficients you want to compare. What is the coefficients means? X coefficients, a1 divided by a2 is equal to b1 divided by b2. So x coefficient and y coefficient, two straight line you are choosing means ax1 plus by1 plus c1 is equal to 0, ax2 plus by2 plus c2 is equal to 0. Two straight lines. In these two straight lines you are taking, these two straight lines are parallel means this condition you want to check. Okay, a1 coefficients, a1 divided by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. This ratios it comes equal, these lines are parallel, or else this, that is we can write it in the form of cross multiplication you do means a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is equal to 0. This result. Okay, 0 means that lines are parallel. Here also this condition is there. What is that? These coefficients will not be 0. A1. Okay, sorry. Here two straight lines. A1x b1y plus e1. A2x plus b2y. Coefficients alone it will change. Plus b2y. Plus e2 is equal to 0. Here coefficients will not be 0, then only we want to apply this condition, or else usually slope you want to find. Okay, this is one formula. Then perpendicular means, you see, perpendicular, two lines are perpendicular, two lines are perpendicular if and only if one are product of slopes is -1, or here two lines are is given, two lines like this, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. This condition use means we want to check a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is equal to 0. What is that? Want to multiply a1 a2, this 2, a1 a2 plus b1 b2, this equal to 0. Okay, these conditions want to satisfy. Two lines are perpendicular means x coefficient both also want to multiply, y coefficient both also you should multiply and add. Answer we are getting 0 means that lines are perpendicular. Okay, that's all. So using these are the formulas we are going to solve this exercise problem. Exercise 5.4 we are going to solve. Okay, see exercise 5.4 first question. Find the slope of the following straight lines. 5y minus 3 is equal to 0 and second point is 7x minus 3 by 17 is equal to 0. Okay, see solution. First one. So in this straight line equation is given. Yes. So given straight line is 5y minus 3 is equal to 0. So here you see x term is not there. It is not a problem even though this is straight line equation only. Yes. So now here question has to find slope. So we know that slope of the equation, slope is equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. Better you follow this formula. Okay, minus a by b or else coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. Okay, now here x coefficient, x term is not there. That means minus 0 divided by y coefficient is 5. Yes, y coefficient is 5. That means you see 0 by anything, answer 0. Therefore, slope is 0. So first point, slope is 0. Then second point, you see second point, given straight line is 7x minus 3 by 17 is equal to 0. Here 17 no need to take LCM. Yes, it is a constant term only. Here we will not use constant term because slope only we are using x coefficient and y coefficient only. Okay, then means constant term no need to consider. Therefore, here the same slope is equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. Short form, coefficient short form I have written. Okay, coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. Okay, then means here x coefficient is 7 divided by y coefficient. Here y term is missing. Okay, y term is not there even though this is straight line only. So question is given it is straight line. One or x term want to be there or y term want to be there. Okay, it is called a straight line. So here x term is missing, here y term is missing. So here y term is not there means this coefficient is 0. So any number, okay, here you see numerator zeros comes means answer is 0. But any number divided by denominator is zeros comes, it is undefined. Okay, this is undefined. Actually infinity you will get. So that is called undefined. Okay, so any number divided by 0 answer is undefined. Okay, that's all. See second question, find the slope of a line which is parallel to y is equal to minus 0.7x minus 11 and perpendicular to the line x is equal to minus 11. Okay, parallel and perpendicular line want to find. Yes, so it is easy. Usually slope want to find, then parallel means slopes it will not change, but perpendicular means m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. That conditions want to use. Okay, see solution. First, so given line is y is equal to minus 0.7x minus 11. Okay, given line. Then here slope want to find. Slope of the line. What you will get? Minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. Yes. So what you will get? Coefficient of x is, so you should bring this side. So this all the one you should bring this side. Given line, what does that mean? Given line is y is equal to minus 0.7x minus 11. This that side come 0.7x. Using this formula, right hand side 0 want to be there. That means minus 0.7x plus y minus this side come plus 11 is equal to 0. Now you should write. Okay. So x coefficient is minus, formula minus is this. So x coefficient is 0.7 divided by y coefficient. Here how many times y is there? Only one time. So then means this coefficient is 1 is the meaning. Okay, y coefficient 1 is the meaning. So minus 0.7 into 1 minus 0.7. Okay, therefore this is slope of the line. Next question asks to find slope of the parallel to the line is, okay, what is that? It will not change because two lines are parallel, so the slopes also it will not change. So slope of the parallel to the line y is equal to minus 0.7x minus 11 is to the line is minus 0.7 only, minus 0.7 only. Okay, so this it will not change. Two lines are parallel, slopes it will not change. Okay, first point over. Then second point, you see, second point, first given line is x is equal to minus 11. So slope, so this you should change in the form of x plus 11 is equal to 0. Now formula slope of the line, okay, slope of the line, what is the formula? Coefficient of x minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. Coefficient of x by coefficient of y. So you are substituting this. So substitute x coefficient is 1 is the meaning. Yes, x coefficient is here 1x. So 1. So minus 1 divided by y coefficient, it is not there. Yes, y coefficient, here y term is missing, so 0. So any number, here you see, so in this equation slope is this. Yes, so actually any number divided by 0 undefined only. Okay, but here perpendicular slope only asking. Therefore slope of the perpendicular, slope of the perpendicular to the line x is equal to minus 11 is, okay, this you want to take it as a reciprocal. Yes, so here m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Using this condition, two lines are perpendicular means this, then means here this is called it as m1. So m1 means you see minus 1 by 0 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Now m2 you need means minus 1 into 0 divided by minus 1. So m2 0 by minus 1. 0 by anything, answer 0. Therefore the slope is 0. Okay, here 0 by anything 0. Here 1 by 0 means infinity. But you should not put infinity. This reciprocal you want to take means 0 by anything 0, because it is a perpendicular. So perpendicular means getting slope you want to take reciprocal. Reciprocal means minus 1 by 0, reciprocal is 0 by 1. 0 by anything 0. Therefore slope is 0. Okay, that's all. See next third first point, check whether the given lines are parallel or perpendicular. Two lines are given. Using these two lines, whether it is a parallel or perpendicular, how we want to check. So parallel means slopes want to come equal. Perpendicular means that to both the slope you should multiply. Answer we are getting minus 1 means that lines are two lines are perpendicular. Okay, so here we are going to use that condition. First see solution. First given first line is okay, given first straight line is x by 3 plus y by 4 plus 1 by 7 is equal to 0. In the slope we want to find slope m1 because two line is given, so that this is you choose m1, this is you choose m2. Slope m1 minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. So then means here x coefficient is denominator 3 is there. Okay, then means here before 1 is the meaning, so 1 by 3. So minus formula x coefficient is 1 by 3 divided by y coefficient is here y coefficient before 1 is there, so 1 by 4. So then you are taking reciprocal minus 1 by 3 into 1 by 4, it's go numerator 4 by 1. Okay, so it should cancel, we will get minus 4 by 3. Okay, minus 1 into 4 minus 4 divided by 3 into 1 3. This is equation 1. Now next straight line is what is that? 2x by 3 plus y by 2 plus 1 by 10 is equal to 0. Now this slope want to find. This is first straight line, this is first straight line, this is second straight line. So then means slope m2, you choose m2. So two lines are is given, means first line is m1, second line is m2. This is coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. So now you should substitute this. Okay, x coefficient and y coefficient you should substitute. This equal to minus formula minus x coefficient is 2 by 3. Okay, denominator 3 is a, so that 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 formula minus this divided by y coefficient. Here y coefficient is denominator 2 is a, so that 1 by 2. So now minus 2 by 3, this simplify means want to take reciprocal, so 2 by 1. Okay, then means you should multiply, we will get it as minus 4 by 3 ones are 3. So this is equation 2. So from 1 and 2 you see, from 1 and 2, so both the slopes also it's came equal. Yes, from 1 and 2, okay, slope m1 is equal to m2. Slopes are equal. Slopes are equal. Therefore given lines are parallel. Okay, that's all. Such a way second point you want to find. So using second point m1 m2 you will get, but that m1 into m2 you want to multiply and see, we are getting minus 1 means second point you will get it as a minus 1. Okay, both the slopes you should multiply and see, we will receive answer is minus 1. So given lines are perpendicular. Okay, here slopes it's came equal, so that these lines are parallel. But second point it will come slope you should multiply and see, we will get it as answer is minus 1. So that lines are perpendicular. Okay, that's all.